What's up, everybody? My name is Ralph Johnson and welcome to another episode of Ralph Johnson Photography. Alright guys, today I decided to go ahead and get a bag. Yep, I got a bag. It has stuff in it. How about we find out what's in the bag? We have, well, we'll start with this first. It is the mount adapter for the EOS-R. Why did I get this? If you guys can't figure it out yet, well guess what? I got an EOS-R. Well, to be more precise, an RP. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hold this off for 1 second. Bring down the Canon bag too, just so get lots of room. Okay, the mount adapter right here. I decided to go ahead and get this, mainly because it came free with the EOS-R and eos-rp right now for a limited time. I don't know when it ends, so if you guys were thinking about getting the R or the RP, go ahead and get it real quick. I personally, myself, go to local camera shops and get it. I actually just asked if I can borrow the room at Schiller's to do this. Schiller's is the go-to camera company that I go to in St. Louis. This is not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form. I've paid for this with my own money. Matter of fact, here's the receipt and everything. My credit card number is in on there because I paid in cash. Anyways, let's go with this first. On top we have all the typical stuff. And we have the warranty card information, which I think if you do this from a reputable camera company like Schiller's, they do this stuff for you already. So I'm not sure. Check with your camera company to make sure. And then we have the pamphlet of 900 different languages and stuff like that for the adapter on what it does and stuff like that, which I really don't know why they give you so many different languages and stuff like that. Then we have bubble wrap. It's not popping. We have bubble wrap and more plastic, and finally we get to the actual pouch that has the EOS-R in it. Open it up, and guess what? More plastic bags. There we go. All the plastic bags are gone. This is the regular EOS-R adapter, the one that doesn't have any special control rings on it or nothing like that, and it's actually very simple to use. You just put this on the end of the camera, which I'll show you here in 1 second, and there's no glass in it at all, so it's not a speed booster or nothing like that. So, but which is fine for the simple reason using Canon equipment with that is great. The reason why I have this though is because I have a lot of EF and EFS lenses, as you guys know. I usually film Todd line 2. I usually film on a crop sensor camera, so my EFS lenses will fit on this camera. And from what I understand, because I haven't tested it yet because it's still out, okay, it'll automatically go ahead and crop to that regular 1.6 crop factor. So I really won't be missing nothing as far as the fact of using all of my glass the way that I would normally use it. So I like that deal. Now let's get into the EOS-RP box. Undo that, open it up, and again we have Canon Canada? Wait, I'm in the US, Canada. No, anyways, the Canon Canada thing, just for the warranty card information again. And we have the battery charger and the battery itself. I don't know what battery charger this is. Let's see. It is the battery charger LCE17. So I'm guessing the battery is an E17 battery. Not entirely positive. Let's find that out. This is a different battery than what my crop sensor camera takes. Matter of fact, I think this is the one that comes in the Canon M50, I think. Yeah, this is an E17 battery. So probably it's not going to last as long as and I'm just guessing here, as long as my regular T3i batteries, but I could be wrong. Canon, I haven't heard any really bad reports on how short the battery life is. But always, no matter what, guys, get a second battery, get a third battery, just so you have enough in case something goes wrong, or in case you need to get more because your battery ran out. And then we have, let's see, we got plastic. We got actually somewhat hardened plastic this time. We have the instruction books in how many languages? I wonder how many languages this is. Let's see. Hold on, what's this? Register now, Canada only. We're in the US. So Canada, if you're watching this in Canada and you get an RP, make sure you register it now. Anyways, the RP is in Spanish, French, and English. But I noticed that they put it in one big book this time. They didn't do 3 separate books. So, quick read, you know, coffee table stuff, or the other place where you read your stuff. Now let's see, what else we got? Oh, we got the beautiful, illustrious Canon RP strap with QR codes on this side. So I'm guessing that's just for them over here. Now this strap, I normally wear my Canon straps out just because I wear them a lot. And I do like Canon straps. They're very nice. They're very comfortable to me and stuff like that. But recently I got a Ronin S, and Canon straps get in the way. So I've been switching to a system that I have detachable camera straps on my camera. That's a lot easier to use. So go ahead and set that off to the side. And finally we have the camera body itself. Okay? So feeling it like this and everything, the first thing I feel is a lot of plastic, or whatever this stuff is called. The thing about this is that it's a brand new body and everything, and from what I've felt from it before, because I did grab one off the shelf to see how it did feel and everything in my hands, you know, because that's the most important thing about cameras and everything. If they don't feel right in your hands, don't buy them. I mean, whether you're a Canon shooter, Nikon, Sony, Pentax, Fuji, whatever, even, you know, JVC even, I don't care, okay? If it doesn't feel right in your hand, you're not going to use it. So that's one of the most important things to me. And this camera did have a nice deep grip to me. Now granted, it is a little bit shorter, but for this limited time only, which they didn't have it in stock here at Schiller's, but we'll be getting it shortly and tell you about it, is not the battery grip. It's just a regular grip that extends it a little bit more. But now holding this in my hand right now and everything, I can tell you this thing is very light. I don't know the exact gram, but it's like, I'd say, a third of the weight of my T3i that I'm using right now. It's very light. Yeah, and there's that big full frame sense. That's one thing I'm not a fan about the RP, is that it don't have that thing that shuts down right away, but I've also thought about it and everything. This camera, along with most Canon cameras and everything, have a lot of the same menu features and stuff, to where it's actually, you've learned the one system well. You may have a lot of new features in this camera compared to that camera, but you're going to go ahead and find out that all the same features are in that same area. The menu systems are laid out roughly the same and everything like that. So anyways guys, there's nothing else in the box. So Canon RP, got it, and I'm going to use it. I haven't even put battery in yet. I don't even know if it turns on. So anyways, that's it guys. Until next week, peace out. Bye.